Hi everyone, I'm Vickie.
And I'm Mark.
What we're doing is liquidating
Our own estate.
just a little bit, if you can see all the things behind us. Today we're going to go through 2 more boxes that we pulled out a couple weeks ago and get those items listed on eBay. We're going to go through them though a little closer this time. So let's get this camera turned around, go grab a couple of boxes off the shelf, and we'll show you what's in them and we'll get them listed on eBay. Let's get started.
What are you waiting for?
You?
Okay.
Oh,
This one's light.
that one's light. All right. Box number 1.
And this one?
Box number 2. And guess who gets to photograph all of these?
Me.
This first box says Vintage Kitchen and Tins. I kind of think I remember what's in it from a couple weeks ago, but let's take another look. Let's see what we've got. Crayons. I do remember.
That's not a tin.
No, it's not. And I don't know if there's any value in this or not. You know, these are what I thought were vintage crayons. We'll see. I have to do a little research. They might just get donated, so who knows. You know, it's between selling on eBay, donating, or, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace. Now, this has some value. This is a red painted enamel chopper, nut chopper. I don't know. What is the brand on here? I don't see anything.
There's
Not
something
really.
down there.
It's in fairly good condition, so we'll get this listed on eBay. I'm guessing about $25 for it. We'll see. Oh, I have another one. Now this one looks even older. Look at that. With the aluminum top. It's got a wood red knob. Nice little handle. You don't see handles on them very often. I don't see anything but a number on the bottom. This might be worth maybe about $30. But I'll be researching everything before I list it. I always check sold comps on eBay. Now this is what Mark was doing the dance to, doing the mashed potato, and he was actually correct. Mark was actually correct about this. It actually is a potato masher ricer, meaning it turns little potato chunks into rice-like pieces. And he was doing the mashed potato to it, you know, on the last video. I don't know what these are worth. I don't know. What do you think? What's your guess?
$895.
Yeah, right. $8.95. No, maybe about $30, $40. I'm hoping. We'll find out. This lunchbox makes me think of my dad. Not that he carried one exactly like this, but he did carry a lunchbox every single day. And one thing my dad would often do is leave a little piece of something from his lunch for me. Yes, he would bring his lunchbox home and there'd be a little something, a little treat in there. And so whenever I see a little old lunchbox, I think of my dad and those memories. So I do think it's time to part with this though. And I'm guessing it's probably worth about $25 to $30. Let's see, does it have a brand? Yes, it's Thermos brand products out of Norwich, Connecticut, USA. So definitely vintage. Let's see what the inside looks like. Not too bad.
Nice and clean.
I wish I had a thermos to fit it. That'll get listed. Spice tins and a little recipe box. This is metal. It was only 25 cents to begin with, so can't expect too much. It's very yellowed. I don't know. This one is pretty bad shape. I might put it at about 15 to 20 and see what happens. I always put make offer on everything. And spice tins, these old metal ones, can be worth a little bit of money. So we've got sesame seed, pumpkin spice, chili powder. That one's pretty rusty. Jerky, ground nutmeg. People like to decorate with these. Black pepper, cloves. Still has cloves in it. I don't think I want to use them though. Sesame seed and more cloves. That one's empty. But anyway, these are good little vintage decorations. Now this. These could be hard for me to let go of. Why is that? Because I see, what do I see? Jell-O molds. I'm always collecting these Jell-O molds because I think I'm going to craft with them. Anyone that knows me knows that I like to collect these Jell-O molds. It might be time to let go of a few. These are little bunny imprinted molds. These would be good to get listed for Easter. Miniature little bundt pans or miniature angel food cake. I don't know if you can see them very well through the plastic, but they're like a little mini angel food cake pan. These are copper, and I think they all have different patterns. That's cherries, that's a little flower design. I have no idea what these are worth. miniature little pans. I remember these remind me of something I had with my Easy Bake Oven. Did you have an Easy Bake Oven? I think most little girls did. And that's what these remind me of. More Jello molds, little bunt pan design, miniature Christmas trees. By the way, these are good for making little Rice Krispie treats too. Wouldn't that be good, Mark?
Mm-mm.
I love those. A couple of biscuit cutters with red handles. Whenever you have items with red, from this fork that jumped out of my box to anything with red, just like the nut chopper, it adds value to it. People associate red with vintage and with retro. A little star mold, some miniature heart molds, some more copper, tiny little bread pans. Look at that. It's like a little 3-inch little mini bread pan. Those are cute.
Bite size.
Yeah, bite size for you. A couple of cookie cutters. Another wood red-handled utensil. It looks like it's a bottle opener.
Can opener.
Can opener?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'd know how to use that.
I do know how to use that. Being
This
that I'm a little older than you.
Looks like, oh, what is that? That's kind of a wood darning needle, I think, of some sort. I don't know. What do you think that is? Anybody know? Leave us a comment if you know what this is. So this little box had a lot of items in it. Let me get these put back in this little box and we'll go on to the next one. Box number 2 also says vintage tins. I really don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, I'd say it's tins. Let's go through these. Some more little molds.
Imagine that. More Jello molds.
Aluminum Jello molds. Well, they're not just for Jello. You could actually bake in these too if you wanted to. Again, I'll have to research the value of these. This is not vintage. It's a modern candle holder, candle tray. Kind of doubt it has much value. The sifter might have its Bromwell's measuring sifter, guaranteed to sift, I guess. Has a little red wood handle. Let's see if it works. It does, but I have to tell you, I wouldn't want to use that for my flour. Even if it's washed up, I don't think I'd want to use this. But people decorate with these.
I used to play with my mom's flour sifter.
Did you help her bake?
Sometimes.
Did you?
I used to play with my mom's flour sifter.
Did you actually bake anything?
Well, I sometimes tried to help, but I was probably more of a hindrance.
Or did you just want the baked goods?
I just wanted what came out of the oven.
You're making me shake the camera on that one. That's funny. Yeah, I bet you do. I bet you just wanted the cookies.
Cookies, bread, cakes, pie.
Anything that Mom makes is always the best, right? Yep. All right, we got to get back to this box. But now you make me want to go upstairs and bake something.
Okay, back to the box.
This is Avenex, Ovenex. And you can tell just by looking at it how old this is. I've always loved this pattern. I don't know what they call this. It's kind of a diamond cut or a sunburst pattern. I love it.
Echo.
Oh, there.
USA.
That's what I was looking for. Echo. I knew there was a brand on it somewhere. Pattern's really cool. Let me show you some more. I used to decorate with these above my kitchen cabinets at the holidays, but I don't do as much decorating as I used to. Now this one is also Avenex, which must mean it is Echo brand. But see how pretty that is? Sparkly. Well, 3 sizes of bread pans.
I can smell the bread coming out of the oven.
Now this is like a little brownie pan. Bake Rex, R-E-X. Is that what the other one said? Bake Rex? No, Avenex they said.
Baker X.
Baker X? Where's the...
B-A-K-E-R-E-X. Baker X.
Baker X, however you want to say it. But that's a nice little brownie pan. Brownies.
Ooh.
I need to make our 1912 brownies. Best recipe. If you don't know I have another channel, I'm going to put in a plug. Thrifty Recipes. And I have a recipe there for 1912 brownies because it came out of a 1912 cookbook. Anyway, check out Thrifty Recipes. All right, back to work. I am going to make brownies today though. I am. Let's see. What this is like a fruit strainer.
It's a seeder. It's made to push the tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Yeah, when you're making tomato sauce or juice,
Okay.
you can put your blanched tomatoes in there and run that around, and it squeezes the pulp through, and it leaves the seeds in the screen.
Okay. Has a little wood handle. This time it's green. I don't know. We want to wash these or sell them as they are? Say, I don't know.
I don't want to wash them.
I don't want to wash them either. some more Jello molds. Paid a
Imagine
dollar.
that.
Paid a dollar. Maybe I can let go some. This is a little, I love this sifter. I used to decorate with this a lot. The little apples on it. Again,
What's it say?
Bromwell's with the apples, and it just has, it should have a red handle, but it's just a little wood handle. I don't know what these are going for. Probably $20, $20, $25. And some more of this. No, this is different. These were the diamond pattern, and this is a waffle pattern. This is Avanex. Do you see any other names on there? I can't read it. They're too dirty. Too old. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 muffin pan. Oh, I've got 2 of these. 2 of the large ones. This is an unusual shape. They don't make them like this anymore.
That's why they're vintage.
And then the large 12 cupcake holder. I always think of these as cupcake holders, biscuit holders, muffin pans.
Echo.
And the last thing in the box, I had forgotten about the star that I had stored somewhere, apparently here. And I think this would be a nice little decoration to add to my Christmas vignette in the kitchen. So I don't know. This one might be a keeper. Might be. Don't give me that look.
It's a definite maybe.
Don't give me that look. So this is our unboxing today, our haul, our vintage haul. There's a lot here, a lot more than I thought was in this box, and we're going to have to get all this cleaned up a little bit and photographed, listed on eBay. Well, not that one. That's a keeper. No, don't say a word. Okay, keep watching. We're going to show you what sold. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. We do have a lot of work ahead of us.
A lot of photographing.
A lot of listing on eBay. Thanks for watching, everyone. We do invite you to subscribe. I'm Vicki.
And I'm Mark.
Bye. Simple sales for good profit.